the airport.
Yeah, where are we headed to?
Going to Miami.
Why?
To go on a cruise.
What cruise ship, do you know?
Horizon?
Yeah? Florida, Miami. Who's excited? We are at the world famous Dwayne Wade statue. Saw some angelfish and some trumpet fish.
Look at these cats though. Look at this cute one. Look at this. This is like Grumpy Cat.
Slowly approaching.
Next stop, Aruba. Carnival Horizon 2024. We're on board Carnival Horizon. It's been over a year since I've been on a ship, by barely, but feels real good. Had a nice morning in Miami. Just had a Guy's Burger, of course. Now it's kind of calm before the storm. A lot of people are still getting on. It's going to be a great day. Then we have 2 consecutive fun days at sea after debarkation today, or embarkation. So it should be great. You're not even wet! Yeah! How was that one?
That one's so fun.
Tidal wave!
Oh my god.
They're about to take off. Oh, sweet. out. Next stop, Aruba. We'll be in the seas for 60 hours or so before we get there, so should be a good time. Weather looks clear. Excited. Bye-bye, Miami. Soft serve. Find Jess. All right, sunset on the Carnival Horizon deck. Perfect start to the vacation. We're doing anytime dining this time. That'll be new to us, so we'll see how that goes. Probably wait another hour or so. Just had a whole bunch of ice cream and a lot of lunches. So yeah, good day so far. Beautiful sunset.